Hello everyone, I'm Dr.VRAO-PHYSICAL. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving deep into the common misconceptions that are floating around many technical universities and colleges, that are basic sciences and humanities are insignificant disciplines to learn seriously, and the subject chemistry is no longer relevant in technical education. So stick around these as we explore why these are misconceptions and to discuss how these basic sciences are foundational across all engineering disciplines. Being an associate professor in chemistry, it is easy for me to start from specific to general, that is, from chemistry to basic sciences. Let us start with what seems like an unlikely connection. In computer science and artificial intelligence and machine learning, you might think, what does coding and AI have to do with chemistry? For that question, my answer is that you just think about the hardware behind the software, that is, semiconductors. Developing microprocessors, memory chips, and other semiconductor devices relies heavily on chemistry, which relies heavily on material science, which is grounded in chemistry. Understanding the properties of silicon and its chemical behavior under different conditions is crucial for designing faster and more efficient chips. In these days, artificial intelligence and machine learning increasingly being used in drug discovery relies on chemistry that uses that relies on chemistry. A chemoinformatics, a subfield that combines chemistry and computer science that uses data algorithms that predicts molecular behavior and develop and discover new drugs faster than ever. Quantum computing, which is deeply rooted in the principles of quantum mechanics and chemistry. Understanding molecular interactions and quantum states is essential for developing quantum algorithms and error correction techniques. Right? Moving to triple E and moving on to triple E and ECE engineering, chemistry plays a significant role, right? With the rise of electric vehicles and renewable energy, with the rise of electric vehicles and renewable energy, battery technology takes upper hand. Lithium ion batteries, superconductors, and fuel cells relies heavily on advanced concepts of chemistry knowledge. Engineers working on these fields need to understand electrochemistry to develop and improve better storage systems. Right? EC engineers working on nanoscale electronic devices such as transistors, sensors need to understand the properties of these materials at nanoscale, which involves surface chemistry and molecular interactions, which are essential for developing better devices. Right? Moving on to civil engineering. A civil engineer need to understand the chemistry of materials like cement, steel, polymers, and composites. Right? For example, chemical reactions involving curing of concrete and corrosion of steel. Right? Civil engineers also work on water purification, waste management, and environmental uh, conservation, all of which needs a strong, solid grasp of chemistry, right? In nutshell, from developing biodegradable materials to creating more efficient recycling process, chemistry plays pivotal role in finding the solutions to some of our biggest challenges, right? Therefore, right? Therefore, chemistry is a core science that connects multiple disciplines. Whether you are a computer scientist working on next generation quantum computers, an electrical engineer developing better batteries, or a civil engineer designing safer buildings, there is chemistry, right? Chemistry is a foundation that supports innovation and sustainable development. But to understand chemistry, we need mathematics and physics support. Therefore, mathematics, physics, chemistry are equally important pillars upon which technology builds. We all know that a strong foundation of a building enables us to increase the number of floors. Similarly, sound knowledge of basic science enable engineers to invent newer technologies, right? And what is the role of humanities in engineering education? Humanities in engineering education play a crucial role in fostering well-rounded professionals with a deep understanding of societal, ethical, and cultural contexts. They help engineers develop critical thinking, creativity, and communication skills, which are essential for effective problem solving and teamwork. Humanities encourage empathy to humanities encourage empathy in engineers to develop to design solutions which prioritize human well-being and sustainability, right? Therefore, what I want to conclude is that basic sciences and humanities form a foundation of innovation, shaping engineers who not only builds systems but also build a better world, as Einstein said. Education is not learning of facts, but it is training of mind to think, right? That is the significance of basic sciences and humanities in engineering education. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.